Ask.com, the search engine previously known for its Butler mascot named Jeeves, has officially shut down. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. It was 2006 when Ask Jeeves was rebranded to Ask.com by its new owner at the time, Interactive Corp, but now this latest closure has put an end to the entirety of the company's search business. The statement on the website says, as IAC continues to sharpen its focus, we've made the decision to discontinue our search business, which includes Ask.com. After 25 years of answering the world's questions, Ask.com officially closed on May 1st, 2026. The statement ended by thanking its millions of users and saying Jeeves' spirit endures. As sad as it is to see a relic of the early internet days fade into obscurity, we still have Ask Jeeves to thank for why some users still punch in full questions when searching something on Google. On top of that, Jeeves was built to provide detailed answers in natural language, which could have arguably acted as a precursor to today's AI chatbots like ChatGPT. Now Ask.com joins the internet graveyard that includes competitors like AltaVista, which shut down in 2013. Now Ask.com is gone, alongside AIM and AOL dial-up services also sunsetting. We're truly coming to an end of a specific era of the internet. The early days of the internet are finally over, but what we experience right now couldn't be achieved if it weren't for these sites. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.